Welcome back to another video, guys. In this week's episode, we're gonna get into the new gen Mustang. We're breaking it down, getting it ready for the body swap. Remember, if at any point you guys see our boy Gudu, put down in the comments the timestamp that you see him at. Whoever gets it first will pin their comment to the top. Like button's been a good guy these days, so I'm thinking we should help him out. You know, I'm sure he's gonna want to go to the beach and all that, so we should get some aircraft remover, kind of polish his car for him a little bit. So let's get into it. So now that we're gonna start tearing down the new Mustang, we're gonna go through, I'm gonna get all the codes that are existing already so that we know what is already here and what we introduced from the teardown. Let's get started. So there's no codes present, let's get wrenching.
So even though I know it looks cool to break glass, that's not the way professionals do it. The problem with breaking glass is that it gets into everything. So even as much as you try to vacuum it up or whatnot, you still always got to rattle. And that's why today we call Sotero's Glass to come and remove our windshield and our back glass professionally.
What the fuck is that?
Let's check the oil real quick. Holy shit. Make sure it's got some oil. You got it right? Let's see if it's coming from the bottom or the top or...
Bro, if it's not one thing, it's another, bro.
Damn. Oh my god.
So, sounds like there's freaking rocks in there or something.
Started, so you can show them.
Yeah, I guess. That is heartbreaking to say the least. Wow. Yo, every time, bro, every time. And where did that even come from?
What was that in the budget? It's supposed to be a good engine.
It was a good engine not too long ago. Wow, that is crazy.
And we did check the oil. Sounds like it spun a bearing or something. I don't know. Definitely coming from the bottom. Right where we're making some gain, you know what I mean? Alright, let's get the dash out, and then after that, drop the motor, send it to the shop.
That's all we got.
this video, you guys saw us start to break down our new Mustang, our donor Mustang. Get it ready for us to put the 66 body on it. Owl did her thing, removing the interior, all the carpet, everything that we didn't want to get ruined. She went ahead and took everything out and got it ready. Probably gonna send that out to upholstery. SP did his thing with the door panels and removing the dashboard. Of course, on his way to removing the dashboard, he started up the engine and it's making a noise now. So we got to break down the engine, find out what's making the noise. That's probably gonna be our next video. Probably gonna drop the motor, open it up and see what's making that happen. But another small step back, it doesn't matter. It's not gonna stop us. We're gonna keep moving forward. We're gonna go ahead and do this thing. So we appreciate you guys watching our videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. If you haven't seen our delivery of the new gen Mustang, click this link for the last video. If you haven't seen our project at all, check out the Rust to Lust series. Thanks.